Okay, hello. Testing. 1, 2. Okay, cool. It's working. Sorry about that, headphone users. Okay, it is I, Rocket Boy Wee, the programmer for the game. And right now, what I am developing is, I'll probably go back here and minimize, is I'm developing a puzzle for the game. So these are the puzzles that are going to be used for the game. This little board shows a layout of what puzzles, how puzzles are going to be displayed. So you can see there's already a few puzzles that are displayed here. This is just me photoshopping and, well, not photoshopping, but I guess gimping. Editing photos in GIMP. I'm just editing the puzzle board in GIMP, and I'm drawing some puzzles just to get an idea of how it's going to look within the game. So you can see there's like these little puzzle pieces that are all kind of coming together here, and the idea is that the player can drag puzzle pieces onto the board, and when they get into this area of the board, they will start to snap on each individual point here, and you can also rotate them. So kind of like Tetris style kind of puzzle game. And you would align them all, and when you align them all, you'd complete the puzzle, and then you'd move on into the game. So what I'm going to do for this video is basically I'm going to develop a kind of a program that generates all these puzzles. So I'd click a point here, 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 and it would grab all the points that I clicked in, and it'll kind of export it out of the program, the small program that I'm going to make soon, and you'll see. So I'm going to do a walkthrough of it, and not walkthrough, but kind of like a playthrough or something like. I'm recording very quickly, and once it takes all the points for the puzzle piece, it'll export it into the engine. Engine will take those points, those coordinates, and construct puzzle pieces from it for the player, so they can move things around. And this external program that I'm making is just to make it convenient. Otherwise, I'm constantly moving each vertex, 2D vertex point around for images to try and build puzzle pieces. But if I make an external program and just with a little user interface where I can click around and build puzzle pieces and stuff, I just export all the coordinates and then I'd be done. So, yeah, I'm going to build the program in C#, and yeah, this is going to be like a kind of a very quick walkthrough of it. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin.
Where'd you go? Seems like it's been forever. Where'd you go? I missed you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
everyone. Just finishing off the video for today. Yeah, so to see the final product, just let me minimize this video here. To see the final product, well, not the final product, but what I've done for today. So you get this little program here that I made, and this is taken from somebody else. Not really the program itself, the outline of the program, like the blueprints were taken from somebody else online, and I just modified it to get what I wanted to. So basically, this used to be a basic paint program where you would just paint things, but I turned it into like this a program that was I guess you could say the program that generates the puzzle pieces. So I kind of converted it into that program. I thought it'd be easier this way because I haven't used these Windows tools before, so I figured if I grabbed somebody else's code online when they made a paint program with graphics and stuff, I'd just look at their code as I'm coding this, and I could learn from their code and as I'm building it. So yeah, shout out to what's his name? This guy, Anoop Sharma. You can read his name. I don't know. Shout out to him for sharing this code that I just downloaded online and I modified it. So very generous, thank you very much, although his naming conventions are very poor. Besides that, good program, and I learned a lot from it, so pretty good. So anyway, as you can see here, I can build a grid, but I need to put in an image first, so I made like a little error message to say, please import an image using the browse image button to generate a grid. Okay. So we browse an image. We'll use this. Probably might be for those of you who follow the monthly devlogs, you'll recognize this picture. So yeah, this says height is not divisible by block size, and there's a certain there's a block size here, and the image itself has to be divisible by it. So the image fits perfectly within the grid because the block size is how large each grid square is. And that's where and that's how you'd navigate the puzzle pieces around. It's just telling us that hey, this is it's not divisible by the block size, so it's not really appropriate for the grid. But you can put it in anywhere. I can just say yes, and it goes in, and I can say build the grid, and as you can see, we build this grid around it. So we can load in images, we can build in grids, and there's also grid X and grid Y start position here. So where the grid will start. Yeah, so as you can see, it's just on 0 right now, so it just goes up to the corner. But as you can see, the grid's there, so it's pretty good. Tomorrow I'm going to be working on, well, maybe not tomorrow, I might be working. But if I'm not working, I'll be working on the puzzle pieces and getting them in. Cool. No worries. I'll see you guys next time. Let's see.